What's up friends, this is the warranty card that you will get from the Xiaomi after buying the Redmi 5, and this is the box of the Redmi 5. As you can see, it has 5.7 inches full screen display and the 12 megapixel rear camera and LED selfie light also included in this device with a 3300 mAh battery, which is not replaceable by user, and it has Snapdragon 450 processor, so it can handle a lot of games pretty decent. So when you unbox the device, you will get the cover first. This is the TPU case, transparent case for Xiaomi Redmi 5. So as you can see, and now this is the device that you will get. It is in gold color and the device is very beautiful. Now let's open the device and let me show you the other contents of the box. This is the user guide, and this is the normal USB cable, not USB type C, with a normal charger. So this is the normal charger. It can charge your 30% of the device in 30 minutes, and the pin injection tool is inside of the box, as you can see. So the device is now booted. Now let me show you the device. Now let me quick set up the fingerprint scanner. I think that only set password fingerprint scanner with the pattern. Now confirm. And then this is the very fast fingerprint scanner. As you can see, it scans your fingers very quickly in a while. The display is very large as compared to the other phones in this price range. I get this device under $150. This is a very good device. It takes a lot of time while loading apps. Here you can see, I think this is the same tray, and these are the volume rockers, and this is the power button, as you can see. And you will get the 3.5mm audio jack on the top of the device with the IR blaster. This device is capable of IR blaster capabilities, so you can change channels on your TV and remotely control your air conditions also from this device. As you can see, the device is very fluid. So that's all. Hope you guys like this video and subscribe my channel for more updates, and the comparison videos of this device with iPhone SE and many others are coming soon on this channel. And peace out.